Hi everyone, welcome to our Upwey project.
And it's Christmas.
Woo!
Oh, way to wreck it for all the boys and girls.
Okay, all right, okay. The brief from our clients was that they wanted a country/French Provincial look, and I definitely think we've achieved that throughout the home. We've kept the layout the same, continuing with a U-shape layout. We've got a really beautiful farmhouse sink paired with a brush brass tapware and also some fittings as well. We've done a subway tile on the window wall and on the main wall, and we've paired this with some custom Victorian ash shelving, and we've also made this stunning range hood cover as well.
We have included a drainage channel in the stone, which leads into the sink, alleviating the need for a dish rack and leaving a seamless look on a big open bench top.
Before we did the renovations, this wall here was actually a mezzanine, and on the other side we've got the hallway into the bedrooms. One of my favourite parts about this renovation was being able to use this space to create so much storage for the clients. There's actually 39 cupboards on this wall, and that's not even including all the drawers inside the cupboards as well. So it's really, really cool for the clients. They've got heaps and heaps of storage. I've also managed to be able to squeeze in a tiny little study nook as well, and there's also more storage underneath the study nook too. So I'm currently standing in our teeny tiny little laundry. Our laundry actually used to be right where the camera is at the moment, and it was a small European laundry. We've actually utilised that space for the bathroom. We've built this wall here to separate the kitchen dining area and the laundry. However, we've still got access to the outside deck as well. Shout out to my friend Maddie from the Linden Collective for providing some beautiful handmade Christmas decorations. Have a look at them on Instagram, and they've also got a stall at the market fair.